everyone back to channel. Today we're going to start simple topic classification of bacteria. The art of bioclassification is taxonomy. Taxonomy is a systematic arrangement of bacteria into groups or categories, and this is known as taxa. The taxa is a single unit. So the kingdom Protista is for all microorganisms, which also includes the bacteria. That is, the kingdom Protista also contains the eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Prokaryotes like bacteria. And next commonly used phylogenetic system for the classification is the Burgess method. So what is this Burgess method? You can see one example for Salmonella typhi. That is the division belonging to Protophyta, class Schizomycetes, order Eubacterialis, family Enterobacteria, tribe Salmonella, genus Salmonella, species Salmonella typhi. So this is an example for Salmonella typhi of phylogenetic system of Burgess method. So here, according to Burgess manual, all microorganisms of the plant kingdom division, that is the Protophyta subdivision, into three classes. So what are those three classes? The first class is Schizophyceae, the second class is Schizomycetes, and the third class is here we have, that is the Microtetrabiotes. So what are this? Let us see in our book now. So here you can see the Schizophyceae. This consists of the blue-green algae, also known as cyanobacteria, which are not pathogenic to the man and animals. So these are about plants. And next, Schizomycetes. These are the microorganisms lack chlorophyll. This class includes 10 orders, out of which the following 5 orders are pathogenic to man and animals. So actually all are not pathogenic to man and animals, only few are, as according to Burgess manual. Order number 1, that is the Pseudomonadales. They are motile bipolar flagella or non-motile, because non-motile means no flagella, motile means bipolar flagella, and it belongs to the family Spiralaceae, genus Vibrio spirillum. And next, the order 4. Order 4 is Eubacterialis, that is the true bacteria, rod-shaped, cockle-shaped, motile by peritrachate flagellae. If you remember, the peritrachate flagellae means all over the body flagellae, or they may be non-motile. So they have different kinds of family and genus. Now let us see them. The family Enterobacteriaceae contains the genus Escherichia, Klebsiella, Proteus, Salmonella, Shigella, and the family Brucelliae. So Brucellae family, Brucella genus, Brucella, Haemophilus, Bordetella, Pasturella, and the family Bacteroideaceae, genus again Bacterios, same similar name, and Fusobacterium, and the family Micrococciaceae, the genus Micrococcus, Staphylococcus, and Peptococcus, and the family Niceraceae, again genus Niceracia, family Lactobacilli, genus Diplococcus, Streptococcus, Peptostreptococcus, and the family Corynebacteriaceae, genus Corynebacterium, and the family Bacilliaceae, genus Bacillus clostridium. Order 5. Actually in order 5 we have Actomycetes, which are filamentous branching cells. These are two families only, Mycobacteriaceae, genus Mycobacterium, Actinomycetes, Actinomycetes. Remember the order 4 as B-cubed-EMNL, that is BEMNL. The starting letters of the families, if you observe here, you can remember it as MA. That is the Mycobacteriaceae family, Mycobacterium, Actinomyceaceae family, genus Actinomycetes, and Nocardia of order 5, that is Actinomyceae filamentous branching cells. And next coming to order 9, that is the Spirochaetales, non-rigid spiral forms, family, and then this you can remember as S cell, that is the family Spirochaetaceae, genus Borrelia treponema, and family Leptospiraceae, genus Leptospira. So S cell. And next order 10, the Mycoplasmatales, small pleomorphic filtrable microorganisms, example Mycoplasma, family Mycoplasmataceae, genus Mycoplasma, and Ureaplasma. So these are all M, because order also Mycoplasma is family, genus all M. And next class 3 is Microtetrabiotes. The class includes the small filtrable microbes such as Rickettsia, Chlamydia, and virus. And the families Rickettsia, genus Rickettsia, Orentia, Coxiella, Ehrlichia. So this you can remember as Mr. like MR, that is Microtetrabiotes, and this family genus same start with R. So like that. And coming to order Chlamydiales, family Chlamydaceae, genus Chlamydia. So all C again, order Chlamydiales, Chlamydaceae, Chlamydia. So these are like just small remembrance for different orders which are causing diseases to humans of class Schizomycetes. So Schizophyceae is just for plants, but Schizomycetes we have which orders? That is order number 1, 4, 5, 9 and 10. So this also we can remember as order 1. So 1, 4 after 5, 4, 5, 9, 10. 1, 1, 4, 5, 9, 10. So that's like that. And this in Microtabaceous of class 3. We have this one. So this is all according to the Burgess Manual of Systematic Bacteriology Classification. So now we have the next one is this all we have already discussed, and this enumerated factors generally considered for the identification and classification of bacteria. There are different factors like how we can identify and classify the bacteria, that is by morphology, that is by just mere looking, means outer morphology, and staining, we know different staining techniques, and also culture, in which culture we place that, and also biochemical reactions and antigenic structure and guanine cytosine ratio of the DNA. So this is that, and this all we already know before. Now let us say classifying the bacteria based on the gram staining characters. So the gram reaction we know it is of gram positive and gram negative. So the gram positive reaction again it is divided into gram positive cocci. Cocci means we know which is spherical bacteria, and the gram positive bacilli rod shape. So mainly in the gram positive bacteria we are taking the gram positive cocci and gram positive bacilli. In gram positive cocci the examples are staphylococci and streptococci. Staphylo means grape like, streptococci chain like cocci. So these both are examples of gram positive cocci. Gram positive bacilli, that is rod shape, examples are Bacillus species same as that, and Clostridium species. So this is about gram positive. Now let us see gram negative. According to gram negative, they are divided into gram negative cocci and gram negative bacilli, same cocci and bacilli. But here the cocci example is Neisseria, and the gram negative bacilli example is Salmonella, E. coli, Shigella and Klebsiella. So these are about gram negative bacilli. So this is all about this, and next we have based on acid fast staining reactions. Acid fast bacilli is tubercle and leprosy bacilli, and non-acid fast bacilli is bacteria other than acid fast bacilli, of course, because this is non-acid as the name says. These are the examples for Staphylococci, E. coli and Salmonella. So these are the examples for non-acid fast bacilli. Regarding acid fast staining reaction I already explained in my staining video, you can check there. And next we have based on, actually there are different types of classification, that is Adsonian classification, genetic classification and intraspecies classification. So the Adansonian classification says that it is a system of classification, all the characters similar or different. Both characters are taken into the account with equal importance, and the organisms are grouped on the basis of similarities in large numbers of characters. Actually the similar and different characters both are taken, but they will check out the main which are the most basis of similarities in large number, which are in large numbers. So based on that they classify. This is known as Adansonian classification. And next the genetic classification, it is based on the degree of genetic relatedness of different bacteria. This system is most natural or fundamental as all properties of the bacteria are regulated by genes. As you know, genetic classification is based on genetic relatedness, that is also regulated by the most fundamental. As we know, a system is most natural, fundamental, all properties of the bacteria are mostly regulated by genes. So the composition of DNA is the basis for the classification. So by estimating the guanine and cytosine content of the DNA, the bacteria are classified. And next the intraspecies classification. For diagnostic or epidemiological purpose, bacterial species are subclassified as. So this intraspecies classification is according for diagnosis purpose or epidemiological purpose. The biotypes are based on biochemical properties, serotypes based on antigenic structure, phage types based on bacteriophage susceptibility, coulsine types based on production of bacteriocins. So a species may be divided first into groups and next into subsets. So this is just simple lesson classification of bacteria. So let us see in the next video again. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe.